First, peel off any stickers. Remove the paper so it's completely clear. I found out there were pockets. I knew that. If you want, you can color the see-through bottle caps. This took a long time, so cue the music. That was entertaining, right? Question mark. For extra cuteness, I added googly eyes. Google, GG, Google, 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 Gulch. Google, Goog, GLLLEEYS. Do you like my Google song? If not, bad things will happen, like burning toast bad. Dramatic quietness. This is taking quite some time now. Cue the music. Finally, okay, next step is to make a pretty bow. It has to be pretty. And it has to be a bow. It has to be a pretty bow. I don't know how to make a bow. Sad face. I struggled. Okay, stop right now. I am the future bot and your glue will fall off, and instead of gluing a bow, you will sew it on. Back to present, Siri, bye. Next, glue your monster-looking eyeball bottle caps according to however you like. The three eyes one is named Jerry. Oh, the poor guy lost his eye. Don't worry, buddy, he'll fix that. They're much better. Ah, you too. Well, I really added a whole lot of glue. No wonder it took 6 hours to dry. Silly me. Oops, spoiler, what? See, I did sew the bow on lol. Hear me showing you the pockets. Who use phones like that lol? Parentheses, I do, they're pretty, don't judge. Sew a handle on. I used ribbon. Use parent help on this part. Don't want ya to hurt yourself. So pretty. Oop, I stare with amazement.